Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new live. This is live number 7, and today we're going to be talking about LinkedIn optimization. And yeah, let's dive right into this, okay? Okay, so I'll just go to my profile and give me a second here. Just want to share the live with everyone. And maybe there's a better way to do this so I don't have to do it during the live. Maybe I'll just share it as we speak. But let's just give me a second for now. Okay, all right. Give me a second. I cannot find the link. Okay, so I have shared it with some people. I'm just gonna put it on X. And don't forget to follow me on X as BALT 1794. I'm just gonna okay. Resume reviews plus LinkedIn optimization. Right. Okay. So yeah, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. You can also follow me on LinkedIn. And if you have any questions, just send them my way and I will answer them. Okay. So today I don't have any resume reviews once again. Maybe next time I'll just pick like a random resume that I have from the different groups that I'm in, and then we can review that one. And of course I'll white out all the personal information, so no worries. And yeah, let's just get started here. Okay, so LinkedIn optimization. So after your resume, the next thing that recruiters look at or employers look at is the LinkedIn, your LinkedIn. So it's good to have a good LinkedIn. If you don't have one, go to linkedin.com and create one. This is super important. You need to have one. It would be the best thing that you have one, and everyone should have one. Okay, let me just move this here. I want to see what's going on with the chat and with anything else. But yes, you should create a LinkedIn. You should have a LinkedIn. It's right now it's not like a should, it's a must. So please create one, okay? All right. So the first thing that when it comes to LinkedIn, so let's start from the top. So you have the header. This is the banner. So for the banner, I don't have anything going on here. I should change it. I should make it a little bit more welcoming. Um, you can always go to Canva, and if you want like a quick one, just go to Canva and let's see projects. Let's go to home, and then here you can just say LinkedIn banner, and then you get like a variety of banners that you can use. I just put these are my designs, but yeah, you can choose any of these. And of course, just don't go too crazy on them. You can just have like I mean, you don't want to have this one. I mean, I don't know, unless you're trying to sell something. But if you're just like a regular person trying to get a job, then just get something like this, maybe, right? And these are like premium ones, but you can have some. Like, see, this one is good. I like this one, so maybe let's try to edit this one. Yeah, so then I'll just change my name. Okay, I'll just say here software engineer. Maybe I'll just copy paste this, center it, and then just be like this so that they can follow me. And yeah, that's it. See, this is like, I like this one. It's just very minimalist, simple. And let's go here. And I can just go here, change photo, upload photo, downloads, beige mother. You can just go with this one, apply. Okay, so that should take a second, I guess. Let's just refresh. See, and I already have like my LinkedIn banner. It already looks good. Yeah, maybe the color is not like a color that I would go with. I think it looks good. I don't know. It looks good. I don't know about you, but I like it. Okay. So yeah, so you can have your banner. Maybe let me see something. Yeah. So yeah. So these are like some shapes that you can use. Okay, we'll keep that one, but you can just choose from all of these here. And see, this one is good, but it's premium. But there are some free ones that are pretty cool as well. I like that one as well. This one is also pretty standard. Try not to crowd it too much. Try not to put too many things, unless you're trying to sell something. Once again, see, and you can put this like the services that you offer and all of that. But just try to keep it simple. You don't want it to be too distracting from the rest of your LinkedIn, okay? So try to keep it just, simple. Okay, and then the picture. So for the photo, so LinkedIn photo, right? Try to have like a standard, also like for the background, right? You want to have something that's professional, so it has to be something that's solid. You don't want to have, crazy shapes or anything like that. And I'll show you what you don't want to have. So like if you have profile picture maker, just go here, maybe just try this one. I don't know, create profile picture. Okay, so this is just like an editor that lets you edit. I wanna change background image. Yeah, so I already looked for this. So if you go here, yeah, let's go to this one. So just to show you what you don't wanna have. So that's the one that I'm using. See, since my face and the upper body here, it's just covering some of the background, then you don't see this orange in there. So it looks a little bit, it looks fine, but you don't want to use maybe this one. You don't want to use that one, or you don't want to use this one. See, it's too crazy. You don't want to use that one, or this one as well. It doesn't look good. See. So you wanna have something that's solid like that, see, but that's too pale. You wanna have something that maybe don't choose any of these, but like you get the point, right? So you can just remove the background and then change the background. Yeah. Okay. So here it's just me, just the face. If it's from here up, then that's completely fine. They don't need to see like your full body. They can just see your face. And what's more important. Maybe I'll choose like a different attire for this one, or like a different outfit that could help a lot. But in this case, I'm just gonna stick to this one. I don't have any professional photos that I've taken lately, so I'm just gonna stick to this one. But yes, that's a good one. And let's see. Okay. All right. Okay, so we have some people here in the chat. Yeah, it's just hard to keep up and do both things. Anyways, so that's, let's see. Okay, I don't know what to. Okay, anyways. All right, so yeah, so this has to look professional, so you want it to be professional. And then the next thing that you want to have that it's like a must here is the summary, your summary. So if you don't have a place to put it in your resume, maybe then you can put it here. And here you can expand as much as you want. And also make sure that you mention things that you're looking for here, okay? So say software engineer with 5 years of experience in crafting web applications. And then, all of those things here, like an advanced, I have like experience with this and that, right? But maybe I can improve it and be something like, let's see. Here. Software engineer with 5 years of experience in crafting web applications using, maybe, I can say like React and TypeScript or something like that. Those are the technologies that I use the most. So maybe I'll say something like that. And then you can see here like TypeScript. Interested in, let's see, use React and TypeScript. Okay, developing educational programming courses and advanced software tools, seeking to leverage these skills to further enhance your team. I don't like that one. Advanced software tools, okay. So, software engineer with 5 years of experience in crafting web applications using React and TypeScript, developing educational programming courses and advanced software tools. So at the moment, I'm not looking for anything specific. So, but if you're looking for something, maybe you can say, maybe not looking, but say interested. Interested in, I don't know, LLMs, or maybe let's not say that like that. Interested in AI, Python, and web development or something like that, right? So you can say something like that, and then that's it. But just try to keep it maybe, I don't know, 2 to 3 sentences. Don't make it too big either, because then people won't read it. Just try to make it like that, right? And I'm just gonna remove this because at the moment I'm not interested in those things, but yes. Using React, TypeScript. Maybe let's just mention another technology. That's the thing. When you start mentioning technologies, then if you're a programmer, then you have like many technologies, and you don't want to leave out any of them. So, TypeScript, Python, crafting web applications using React, TypeScript, Python, development. Okay, so you can go to resumeboostai.com. Let's go to resumeboostai.com. If you're having problems, and then just paste it here and improve it. So, passionate software engineer, I don't want that, so I'll just do this. Just say software engineer with 5 years of experience in developing dynamic web applications using React and TypeScript. Okay. And then it has learning through innovative. Let me just skip the one that I had. I just like the one that I have. I'm just gonna leave it. It's gonna go back. But yes, you can. The problem is that I don't want to change it because I'm just the software engineer with 5 years of experience in crafting web applications, educational programming courses, and advanced software tools. Here maybe I can say using React and TypeScript. Python, PHP. Using React, TypeScript, Python, PHP, and more. Or something like that, yeah, see? So, why am I mentioning these buzzwords? Why am I doing that? So, the reason why I'm doing that is because LinkedIn, the algorithm, is gonna show you things depending on what you have on your profile. So if your profile says, I'm interested in React, TypeScript, Python, PHP, then it's gonna show me opportunities in those areas for those programming languages. That's why you wanna use some of these keywords, okay? All right, let's move on. Pronouns, stay away from it. I know maybe some people are upset that I'm saying that, but just stay away from it. Don't put any of the pronouns. It's not important. That shouldn't put you in any, advantage position or disadvantageous position. So just ignore it completely. Show current company in my intro. industry, software development. That's the industry that I'm in. You can say, I mean, that's the one that that you can choose from the drop down, right? So IT, system custom, but I just choose software development. I'm sure there's more industries that you can choose, so just pick your industry. It's cool. I went to New Jersey Institute of Technology, so that's the one that's gonna show location. I have my location. Of course, it's just the city. It's general, right? It's not to a specific website. This is the website that I have, which is the one that I show you. And here you can put like any custom button that you want to put, maybe link into your YouTube or something like that, okay? But let's see. Okay, see? So now I'm just mentioning these buzzwords, which they're good to put there. You have this link, which takes them to my website, contact info. So I don't want to click here, but because I have some personal information in there. But if you click there, then you're gonna show or your email, your phone, and all of that, right? So you also want to have that before recruiters. You don't want to. I mean, you want to have it there, okay? That's it. But don't show it if you're doing a live like me, okay? And so this is another thing that's important. So just coming down, there is this option where you can actually put open to work, right? So this is like a trick. If you come to open to work, you have job titles, right? Software developer, full stack developer, junior software engineering developer, web developer. I think you can choose 5. That's why it says that I've reached my maximum. So choose 5 and just pick anything that you're interested in. If you're like an education major and you're interested in teaching math, so just say math professor, math, or whatever, like mathematician, or I don't know, educator or tutor or something like that. I don't know, anything that's related to it, okay? Because it's good. Because this is also, LinkedIn takes this to the algorithm, it fits it, and then it gives you, it gives you recommendations based on this. So it's important that you pick this, okay, correctly. So these are all the ways in which I could say software engineering, or software engineer, or software developer. You see that I'm missing software engineer itself, but it's because I put junior software engineer, okay? And you can also put like back-end engineer, front-end engineer, and of course this is for programming, but like as I said, I gave you like a different, like an example of how you can do it as well. Location types, I don't mind any of these location types, on-site, hybrid, remote. You can pick the 3 of them, you can pick 1 of them, you can pick 2 of them, and it depends on you, okay? Locations, this is good as well. So pick locations, okay? Because then you're gonna get jobs based on these locations. So New York City, New York. These are all the ways that come up on LinkedIn. That's why I put them. It's like the same thing, okay? New Jersey, and it's not the same thing, but this is how LinkedIn shows them. Even though this mean the same thing, they don't mean the same thing. Sorry, New York City metropolitan area, and this is New York, the city itself, okay? New Jersey, Florida, Miami, Fort Lauderdale area. I just picked them for fun, okay? I can put like a different place if I wanted to. This is where I live. Start date immediately. Always put immediately, okay? Employment types, full-time, part-time, contract, internship, and temporary. If you're looking for temporary internship, you can pick them. I'll just pick just 3 of them because I'm interested in them, okay? Okay, this thing here. So this could be like a double-edged sword. So you don't want to have you don't want everyone to see that you're looking for a job, because maybe they know your employer, and maybe you don't want your employer to know. I don't know. That depends on you. In this case, I have it to be only limited to recruiters. So only recruiters can see if I'm looking for a job or not. Okay, but all the LinkedIn members won't see it. So try to keep it to recruiters only. That's what I will recommend. Okay, save. No thanks. Okay, let's go. Non-profits, you're interested in, okay. Yeah, I don't want that one. Analytics, this is for me to see what's going on with my posts. Doesn't matter too much, I guess, to you in this case. Okay, so this thing here. And let me just make a small pause and make sure that no one has any questions here. Everything is correct. Everything's functioning correctly. And it seems like, okay. Give me a second here, okay. second. Okay, so let me go here and see. Let me just move this maybe here. All right, so that I can answer. Okay. Anyways, so about. So for the about here, so you can go here and say, here it's totally lacking. So you want to have more things. You want to say years of experience. People also talk about achievements, interesting software. Okay, I'll say interesting software and web development opportunities. You know, I don't know, using Python in software engineering opportunities. Maybe web development. And web development. Experience with Python, JavaScript, and once again, the use of buzzwords, okay? JavaScript, TypeScript, I don't know, Firebase is not too popular, SQL, Azure, AWS, and more. Okay, something like that. Let me see something. We go here. Now, I think this will come in handy. See something. Yeah, I still don't like it. I don't know. Interesting software because this is the about. Okay, people talk about their achievements. Okay, maybe interesting software engineering. You can just say maybe just 2 sentences like this: software engineer with 5 years of experience. It's almost the same thing that you have up there, development web applications. So software engineering opportunities and web development. Web development and SaaS, software as a service. Experience with Python, JavaScript, SQL, Azure, and more. Okay. Okay. Get AI. Okay. No, this premium. Python. So I put Python. I put Node.js. Yeah, I think I'm missing a lot of them. So I'll just put, maybe just try to fill all of this. JavaScript. I don't know how many you can have, but I'll just have them all. C#, because I know C#. Okay, that's the maximum. Okay, I'll remove this. I don't like that one. Maybe I'll put something else. So JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, PHP. Okay. And here I'll put Azure, WordPress, and PHP. Okay, cool. WordPress, React, Next.js, just to mention a few more. WordPress and PHP. All right, then pick 5 skills. Once again, this matters because then LinkedIn is gonna recommend you things related to this, to your profile. Try to build it accordingly. Okay, save, and then that's it. Software engineer with 5 years of experience developing web applications, interesting software engineer opportunities, web development, and SaaS. Experience with Python, JavaScript, and all of that. And you can expand more if you want to, okay? So let's come here. And these are just the posts that I have. So you can see I have many posts here. Okay? And mostly for the lives and stuff like that, but you can create a post here if you want to, if you don't know how to do it. And then for the experience, okay? For the experience, you want to have the experience in chronological order, of course, the most recent job that you have, and then all the way down to the to the first job that you had, okay? And here you can expand as much as you can or as much as you want. As you can see here, I can say the title, that's important, full-time, which type of position it was, the company, currently working at this role, location, it's remote, and here you have all of this, maybe some space here. The headline, we already did this. We recommend, okay, so the skills that you've used here. So I've used PHP, WordPress, JavaScript. What else? I can say, what am I missing here? JavaScript, maybe just say Python. I think Python I've used, and maybe CSS or something. Yeah, something like that. Okay, media, then if you don't have to add media. But yes, just try to be as let's skip this. Yeah, so just try to be as you can expand here as descriptive as you want to, and add some space so that it looks good. Okay, so I think this is good. Maybe let me see if I can add this as well here, because I don't like it that it looks like that. Save. So you can add some bullets there. Okay, see, it looks a little bit better. Okay, and you have to do that. You have the dates here. You have to do, see, like this. This one looks good. It has the proper spacing, and it has all the things that I worked on while I was there. Okay, and then this one also looks good. Let me add some skills that I didn't add. So now it's the time. AutoCAD, Revit. It's not how you pronounce it. Yeah, Revit here. Let's see what else. AutoCAD. Once again, let's see if there is like a different one. Electrical. What else? What else we did here? Revit, AutoCAD. Maybe this one. SketchUp. And BIM. That's the one that I wanted to add. This one. Okay. Save. Okay, let's see. Next one. And junior controls engineer. Come here, add skills. So once again here, I did a lot of AutoCAD. I did a little bit of Python. You can say PLCs, because that's also something that I did. AutoCAD once again, but maybe electrical. And what else can I put here? Oh, BIM as well. Revit, maybe I should have put Revit. Let's put Revit. It's a pretty hot skill to have now. All right, so here it tells you to, like, if you want to tell everyone or something like that. Oh no, it tells you to connect. Yeah, let's just skip this. Okay, controls, see, I have a lot of experience. Yeah, so this is the thing. So here, this is where you want to expand. You want to talk as much as you can. If you want to do it, like make like one page of experience for each job, then you can do that. This is the place to do it, okay? But not your resume. Your resume has to be 1 page long, but don't make it too long, okay? Has to be 1 page long, not multiple pages. This can be as many pages. I don't know. This is just infinite scroll, so you don't know how many pages it has, but it has a lot, okay? And you can see that I did that. Look at this one. This is when I was an intern, but you see how I have like a lot of experience there, so they don't mind reading all of this. Okay. Okay, but you get the point. I'm not gonna go through all of this because I have to add skills for all of them. Maybe just add it to this last one, and then I'll stop, and then we'll jump onto something else. But yeah, let's Python, PLCs, once again PLCs. Let's see if there. No. Let's just say Revit and AutoCAD. Okay, and BIM. Okay, cool. Save. Okay, I have a lot of experience related to AutoCAD and all of that, but I'm a software engineer now. So yeah, so it's good to have the skills here. It looks good, and then people and recruiters know what Yeah, so they know, sorry, someone sent me a message. Yeah, so they know what's going on and like which skills you have, and which skills you use at that when you were at that job and all of that. So that's good to have them. Okay, let's go here. And then education. Well, this is still, where's the education? Teaching assistant, teaching. Yeah, these are jobs that I had. So, okay, sorry. Yeah, I was inside of the experience. Yeah, so you wanna add all the skills. You wanna keep going, and you wanna be descriptive in the bullet points. If you need help with the bullet points, you can just paste the bullet points here, and then you can just improve them like this. Okay, so just go to resumeboostai.com. Anyways, coming back to this education. So when you put the education, this is where you wanna expand as much as you want. Okay. So I put 2016. I didn't put the date, like the month exactly, but it doesn't matter too much. But you can add them just to be exact. I don't remember exactly, so maybe I'll just add it for this one. And here you can put your grade, description. You can expand here and say like some of the things that you did while you were there, the skills. It's not like maybe you can put some skills here. I don't know. Maybe let's just put Python. JavaScript. Yeah, but you don't want to do this for all of them. Anyways, the education, maybe it's not that important to put the skills here, but it's fine. Okay. Activities and societies, then you can just put like what you were part of. I was part of all of this. So, NJT Robotics Club, IEEE NJT branch, just say NJT, Society of Hispanic Professional Engineership, and anything else that you did here. If you like got like in the dean's list or something like that, just put it here. You don't want to put it on your resume, but you want to put it here, okay? Once again, grade, that's optional if you want to, description also, and skills. Let's see how the skills look like. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do this. And yeah, you can, maybe the skills, it's not like a good thing to have there, but yeah. Anyways, I just want to try. This is an organization, graduated with the highest honors in electrical engineering and stuff like that. Okay, I'm just gonna remove the skills because I don't like it. I don't think it hurts, but I'll just remove it from here. I don't like how it looks. Okay, yeah, I don't want to post that. Okay, education. Education is kind of done here. We have where I went, some of the dates, not exactly, but they'll figure out. If you have like if you have the years, that's good enough, I guess. And let's see, licenses, certifications. So if you have any certifications, this is where you want to put them. So I have this one, which is the CCNA, and I don't think I have the credential ID. I don't know where that is. I think it's in one of my emails. But if you want to add it, you can add it. Or if you have it somewhere like deployed, or people can see it on, if they go to like a URL, then you want to paste it here. So then they'll take them. It will take them to see like the certification. They'll know like when it expires and all of that. Okay. And this one already expired. It was like a Cisco certification. This is the name of the certification. Then you can add skills, but yeah, I'm not gonna add. But here, this is where you wanna add all the certifications that you have. Okay. And once again, not on your resume. Or you can put it on your resume if you have a space, but try to keep it one page. It's better just to add it here, okay? Don't add it on your resume, add it here. Because you have your LinkedIn on your resume, so they'll come to the LinkedIn and then they'll see the certifications anyways. And they're not as important as the work experience. Okay, and the skills. I have 29 skills that I've added. See, past LinkedIn assessment, I think I did this once. Endorsement of some of the things that I've gotten from previous co-workers. And yeah, I'm missing a lot of here. Maybe let me add some of the ones that I like, which are React. Yep, let's just do React. I'm not gonna put where I had them, but where I use them or anything like that. But yeah, I'll just put React, HTML. Okay. Add more skills. Just say WordPress. Save. Oh, it's already on my profile. Okay. That one is already on my profile as well. Next.js, this one is not on my profile. Okay, cool. Yeah, and you can keep adding more skills and more skills if you want to. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave those. I have 32 skills already. Publications. So if you have any publications that you did while you were in college, or some of the things that you've done outside of college, you wanna put them here. So this is something that I did back in 2015. LSAMP, it's like a program, Northern. See, this one is misspelled. Catch that. New Jersey bridges to Baccalaureate. I don't know how to. I don't even know if this is correct. Let's see if this is correct or not. Is that how you? Yeah, that's surprisingly that's correct. Okay, cool. Publications. Okay, let's go back. And languages. Here you can put all the languages that you speak. Yeah, so English, full proficiency, full professional proficiency, native or bilingual proficiency. Okay. Interests. Why am I following these people? I don't know. I'll just unfollow them. I don't know why I'm following them. And some of these companies, maybe I'll unfollow them. Groups, I'll unfollow them. Newsletters, I'll unfollow them. I don't like to have all of this here. Okay, causes. This is what you care about, right? Education, science, and technology. Don't go crazy on this one. It's not that important. Okay, and yeah, that's it. That's the LinkedIn profile. That's how you optimize your LinkedIn profile. So we've gone through the entire LinkedIn profile. The most important part is the work experience, the skills that you have, how you write your about, how you write your headline, and which skills you mention, or which keywords or buzzwords you mention, because the algorithm is going to look at this and then it's going to recommend you jobs based on that. Okay, so this is why you want to put all of these things and optimize your LinkedIn so to make it better. Okay, and let's see, you can also expand on this one. It's a little bit empty here. I don't know exactly what to put here for me in my case. I don't want to mention all the technologies here, but yeah, I'm a software engineer with 5 years of experience developing web applications. Maybe I have like a degree in this or that. You could also say that if you wanted to. Anyways, so yeah, this is it. If you go to jobs, then you'll see some of the jobs here. And then you can see that all the jobs are already optimized for me. And I already have anything that's related to developer, it's here. See, developer. And that's because I've mentioned all of this on my LinkedIn. And also because I look for these kind of jobs, and then the algorithm feeds on this information it already knows. But basically, LinkedIn takes from your profile and also looks at what you're interested in, and then it starts recommending you that. Okay. So that's for that. And yeah, I think if anyone has any questions, I guess now it's the time to ask. Let's take a look and see. I wanted to show you something from my Twitter, something about like the job market, but let me see if I can find it. If not, then we'll put an end to this. Put an end to this misery. I don't think I will find it. Okay, yeah, I think this is the one. Yeah, so this is like a tweet that I saw from, this is Greg Eisenberg, and it says that the software developer jobs are down 70% from its peak, which it was back in 2022, mid 2022, you could say. Yeah. So, the free money, middle class, Copilot, and all of that. All right. So, what does this show us? So you can see that it says software development job postings on Indeed in the United States. So companies started looking for a lot of like jobs back in 2020. That's when everyone was locked up. And then after that, after COVID and all of that, you can see that it went down, and they stopped looking for or posting these software engineering jobs and all of that. And then it went back, so it recovered. It went all the way up to 20 index 2020. It's 100. Okay, yeah, so it's 200 here. So this is the amount of jobs that were posted on Indeed at that time. So it was 220 or a little bit more, and that was back in 2022. And then you can see that it was only like maybe 3 years, no, maybe 2 years. It was just 2 years that there was like a boom here, and it was like just broke out here, right? Went all of the way down and then started coming down back in 2023. At the end of 2023, it just started going down, 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 down. And why is that? So that's because right now we have AI. So that's one of the reasons that we have AI. So people, they don't need as many software engineers as they used to, because they can just use AI to do some of those tasks. It won't do everything, but it would do most things that are tedious, or some things that some software engineers can do. There are other things that they won't be able to do. So if you look at ChatGPT right now, and if you ask ChatGPT to give you something, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it's really bad. But the point here is that everyone is trying to build the stuff. That's what this guy is saying. Like, doesn't mean what it meant in 2020. So it says product builders are becoming solopreneurs, and creators, frontier engineers are making hedge fund money. So it's saying that everyone is becoming a builder. So people are building more stuff. Since there is no many jobs, people are trying to do more freelancing. They're trying to create their tools. They're trying to become more entrepreneurs, and in that way trying to make a living, right? But they're not applying for too many jobs as back then in 2021, 2022, or maybe 2023. So they're trying to build their own stuff, their own tools. They're trying to service more people or to create more solutions depending on real problems that people might have. So this is what this chart shows, in my opinion, of course. And also because with the advent of AI, you can see that there are some jobs so people won't, like, companies won't need as many engineers as before. So if you, as a junior software engineer, using AI can make the job of, or cover up for the job of maybe 3, entry-level software engineers, then they won't hire those 3 entry-level software engineers, and they'll just hire like a junior engineer and then equip this engineer with AI, and then they can just go all the way and do the same job that 3 engineers will get for the price of 1. So that's also why the companies stop posting as many jobs as before. And yeah, this is a disagreement, but yeah, based on the pandemic bump, job openings seem to be the same level the way before. The film industry because also disrupted by AI. You can code, better learn how to sell and build your own stuff. That's also a good thing. What's GitHub Copilot, Cursor? Ferrari can increase their agency by 100%. Why would company or catch up by not increasing? Smaller teams are shipping more, and companies are hiring near shore. See, so that's another thing. So people hire, from other countries because that's they have to pay them less. So that's another thing. That's why they don't post too much on Indeed, because people find devs within communities, at least not in crypto. I don't know. I don't agree with that one. I think there's still job posting is the way to go. Have you worked? Is being super productive? Yeah. So this is another thing. The job isn't being a greenfield super productive hacker. It's more like a cog in a giant machine. It's either faking it or a genius. And one good dev with GitHub Copilot ships what an entire team did 5 years ago. I'm not seeing that in my software company. Am I in trouble? Are we not? What was that gonna let me? I feel like people posting this type of stuff don't use AI-based tools on a daily basis. Anyways, yeah, it's everyone's opinion here, and this is wild. So yeah, but you can find this here, and maybe I'll repost it, and then you can go find it on my profile, or you can just go to Greg Eisenberg's And yeah, that's it. So that's it for today. I just wanted to share this with you. If you have any questions about LinkedIn optimization, resume reviews, or anything else, just leave it in the comments. I'll take a look and then I can answer those questions. And yeah, let me know what types of video you want me to make, what types of live you want me to make, and I'll have a resume review for next week for sure. And then we can start working on that. But yeah, that's it for this live. Appreciate everyone who joined, everyone who's watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel, and thank you. Bye.